Reliability and Maintenance Study Data Training Seminar is designed in a learn by doing format. Unlock a high level of understanding of reliability and maintenance. Learn how to leverage Solomon's benchmarking study results data and get help developing improvement action plans. During this 4-day seminar, you will gain a better understanding of RAM definitions, processes, enablers, and best practices. Day 2, you will learn how to use the Solomon's Fuel study and other benchmarking study results data with your RAM study results to assess performance and identify gaps. Day 3, you will gain a better understanding of your benchmarking results and how to read the data. Day 4, you will apply your learnings by analysing a real scenario and develop ideas for improvement based on output data. Participants have said they've learned the significance of benchmarking and the value it can add to your facility. The presentation was great, with a lot of information that can help in improving performance, that they now better understand how to read and utilise Solomon's study data to their benefit. Contact us to learn more. Benchmarking is not the end goal, it is the start of many.